AI in Engineering with Stephen the Engineer. Hello everyone. Welcome to our video on AI in engineering. In this video, we'll explore the basics of artificial intelligence and its impact on the field of engineering. First, let's define what we mean by artificial intelligence. AI refers to the ability of machines to learn from data, perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, and improve their performance over time. Some common examples of AI include machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Now, let's talk about how AI is being used in the field of engineering. There are many different applications of AI in engineering, such as predictive modeling and simulation, optimization of design and manufacturing processes, quality control and defect detection, robotics and automation, energy and resource management. So, what are the benefits of using AI in engineering? Well, for one, it can help engineers work more efficiently and effectively by automating repetitive tasks and providing insights into complex systems. It can also help reduce costs and improve product quality by identifying and addressing issues early in the development process. Of course, there are also some challenges to using AI in engineering. For example, ensuring the accuracy and reliability of AI models can be difficult, as can managing and analyzing large amounts of data. There are also ethical considerations, such as the potential for bias in AI algorithms. Overall, artificial intelligence is becoming an increasingly important part of the engineering toolkit. By leveraging the power of AI, engineers can develop innovative new technologies and solve complex problems more effectively than ever before. We hope you enjoyed this introduction to AI in engineering, and stay tuned for more videos on this topic in the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content.